In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pencil or pen tool in Foxit PDF Editor. Whether you're marking up a document, sketching an idea, or simply adding some personal flair to a PDF, the pencil tool is a versatile feature that can really enhance your workflow. Let's jump in and explore how easy it is to get started. First, you'll need to open your PDF document in Foxit PDF Editor. Navigating through your files, locate the PDF you wish to work with and double-click to open it. Once your document is ready on the screen, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll find the Comment tab. Clicking on this tab will reveal an array of annotation tools, crucial for anyone looking to add notes or markings to a PDF. Among the tools you'll see under the Comment tab, find the Pencil tool. It's your go-to for freehand annotations and drawings. Selecting it is simple. Just click on the pencil icon. Now, you're ready to begin drawing directly on the document. Click and hold your mouse button down on the area where you'd like to start your drawing. Then drag the mouse while keeping the button held down to create your desired shape or line. The beauty of the pencil tool is in its fluidity, allowing for a natural drawing experience similar to using an actual pencil on paper. Once you've got your annotation laid out, you might find yourself wanting to refine it by tweaking its appearance. To adjust the properties of your drawing, simply click on the pencil tool again to activate it and look for the Properties icon. This icon typically resembles a small gear or a color palette. That's your indicator. Clicking on it will open a Properties menu, giving you the control to customize aspects like color, thickness, and opacity of your lines. Changing the color can help you differentiate annotations or match them to your existing color scheme. Adjusting the thickness lets you choose between bolder lines for emphasis or finer lines for subtlety. Finally, opacity settings allow you to manage the transparency of your annotations, which is particularly useful if you need to keep underlying text or images visible. With these steps, you're well equipped to utilize the pencil tool in Foxit PDF Editor creatively and effectively. Remember, the key to mastering any tool lies in practice, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment within your documents. Whether it's for professional use or personal archiving, knowing how to annotate your PDFs with precision will undoubtedly elevate your document management game. Happy editing!